Can South Asia combat climate change? We believe yes, and we suggest how.
Read the first paragraph and then Durlabh reads the second, and that's how we're going.
Oh, okay, sorry. I thought Durlabh was going to read this part.
I'll do this fast. Yeah.
Okay, distressed that the governments of South Asia have not collaborated to present a united position at COP26 in Glasgow. We, the participants of this discussion on combating the climate crisis in South Asia, organized by South Asia Peace Action Network on October 31st, 2021, resolve that
world leaders at,
Okay, go ahead, Durlabh. Yeah, sorry.
should I come in or no?
Yeah.
All right. So world leaders at COP26 must pay heed to the challenges faced by the South Asia, a region home to a quarter of humanity.
countries that have been the biggest polluters must bear the onus of action regarding emissions reductions.
The development trajectories of billions who seek to be lifted out of poverty and deprivation must not be a contradiction to their aspiration.
We urge governments to roll back reliance on fossil fuels as a contributor to growth and wealth generation.
The global north must commit the finance and technology transfer promised to the nations of global south to enable united actions toward the limiting the rise of global temperatures below 1.5 degrees.
We will continue urging our governments to keep channels of communication and cooperation open between the South Asian nations to seek solutions to challenges posed by climate change.
South Asian nations must consider a fragile ecosystem and shrinking habitats, a shared responsibility, and preserve, promote, and scale the indigenous knowledge of our communities that can provide crucial solutions in fighting the impacts of climate change.
We will continue to urge our governments to promote the exchange of knowledge and information about meteorological phenomena and disaster risks.
We see key issues like glacial melt, sea level rise, rising heat vis-a-vis urban resilience, air quality, and water resource management as regional issues. Urge our nations to view these issues as such and take a regional approach towards them.
We believe cooperation on species protection, natural resource protection, and climate justice for climate migrants, indigenous persons, and other vulnerable groups must transcend boundaries.
We will continue to support and encourage advocacy and activism to engage with decision makers to ensure that cooperative protocols that have been developed are not rolled back.
Voices raised in unison from South Asia must be heard and heeded at global forums like the COP26 starting now.
The human capital of South Asian region has the potential to lead us towards climate sanity. We urge our governments to collaborate towards this. The world needs to provide the leverage.